How to update Block Blast on Android? Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to update the Block Blast app on your Android device to ensure you have the latest features and bug fixes. So make sure to watch till the end and let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. Tap on the search icon, usually a magnifying glass, in the bottom bar. Type Block Blast in the search bar and search it. Select the official Block Blast app from the search results. If an update is available, you'll see an Update button on the app page. Tap on the Update button. The app will begin downloading and installing automatically. Once the update is complete, tap on Play to launch the updated version of Block Blast. And that's how you update the Block Blast app on your Android device. By keeping your apps updated, you ensure you have the latest features, bug fixes, and security improvements. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. Don't forget to leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching.